Jesus Christ, and I no pay me that was say. So, Mama Quenya, some metna say no ma and cassa. What do you want for feet now? What you mean, you know, my one massem. A radimi near some on our wasem. Miss Rosema Uja Nero me catch a maso. Before me soon now, so neca such a woman and a day, said the Oyan de Biano. Miss Rosema, a come biara, a bubu, Jesus Christ, and summer ebe and Kuguas as a paso. Na en swabapa. Near the Sedania ye and comfort and tuntum among. Miss Rosebra come biase, ninty was some and quasupem. Nesse no a chino, upi or nimunamua, yenya anu ye, a wasimu. Mid was sit so dim kunim, now I in the sa, a wo Jesus Christ dim, amen. Order for Mema Aquaba and a day so, say, or joining me. A ye unia ba, wofase, mame, amatua, and me know a she. Me no baby din komo a son say we are living in the last days. The bia meka obone for the nyama bibre ewia for us to forget what is going on, for us to forget what is about to happen. Right now as I'm talking to you, spiritual battle ekoso ntokwa kese ekoso Satan ni nyame mai eko gidigidi nyakom enya asem ketwa Obia wo humu obompa ye ya konchene da otumi say we are fighting nyakom ye fighting spiritually, we are fighting physically enye asem ketwa eninti Daniel bringing we have to be alert na ye chi abrabo mu ntonto enye be na wa abrabo nu mu eni wo nyame mfa se Yesu Kristo pie na ye ntumi ne nkodi da ensada ye frɛ ye ho Kristofo. Are we doing what Christ please? Or we are just living our lives anyhow? But then we enjoy saying we are Christians, whereby we don't do what Christ wants. Can we make it to heaven this way? Can we? We enjoy calling ourselves, I'm a Christian. Yes, I'm a Christian. I go to Baptist church. I go to Victory, whatever church. I go to Methodist, I go to Roman Catholic, whatever, you name it. Okay, we enjoy saying we are Christians. We enjoy saying we go to church. But do we do what pleases Jesus? I mean, if Jesus come today, can he also enjoy calling us his children? Will he enjoy calling us his followers? Can he also do that? And then I'm making kind Bible na and a copy baby be Bible no na me no win komo. Asem we o yonyame o. Asem we e onyankopon. Oso wan kwati nasem anye bibi oye. But ubi ho can be Bible na wa balance. But Bible says onyankopon ba Yesu ba ya chiro din bia obi anim ene onyankopon asem. Until we cannot skip this word. You to me skip asem way. Till when you come and they say, oh, for Bible ni koma. I mean, if you have your Bible, if I was you, I may find a small Bible in my bag. Because when you're going to work, you don't forget your lip gloss, do you? Who pay your lip gloss? Hey, mommy, family lip gloss to me na a pen about a famano. Say I won't forget it. Do you forget your phone? You pick up your phone, right? Don't forget to also pick up your Bible. It's the web. Everywhere you are. I was so Bible account. If anything you open your Bible, quotation back said that now the year juma. Now we sound concrete. Radia same way to say. See a casa for Bible. When we say pick up your Bible, if you have it, please, for Bible. If you don't have it, as Toby, a 5 million crato. Because at a day show no boarding and I'm boa. The audio party Saturday no boarding, sister, and I'm a boa. And buy the Bible, buy it also. Toby. So what you say? Ya won krante to be. Anye sa ye dia so kwa beda no wa chenchena. And me no bedim komo bebre. I'm going to talk. Na me nim so nya me be ma ye no kwafo. Me hwe bibi wo Matthew chapter 7 verse 21. Matthew chapter 7 verse number 21. Amen kan twi no enhwe ewo ha. Matthew chapter 27 verse 20 Matthew chapter 7 verse 21. Ose nya obiara ose me se Awurade no na obekọ osoro ahenie no mu. Na de oyo meja owo soro no apede no. Eda no nipa pi beba akyere me se Awurade yamfa wudin anshankom na yamfa wudin entu ahohomboni na yamfa wudin anyo ahodendie pi ana eno na mesi osi mepai mu maka machira won se mi hunu mu da mumfiri mi so nko mo anye de tene asem wei dibia ye kan enyo mo si Awurade but when you read this scripture to bo ase kakra na ho nkonkron kira wade wose nye wona wose me se Awurade nyina ene be ko osoro himem na mum die wo ye osoro agya no apede wose adano ni se da Yesu beba nipa bebre de ni bi beba Awurade yamfa wodi anshankom yamfa wodi antutu ahombone wose no no be pai mu aka kire won se me hunu mu da mfiri mi sonko mo anye de etene asem mamin kan brofo ni bi na mo amote brofo no. Let me read the English also. 7:21 Matthew 7:21. Was it not everyone who says to me, Lord, Lord, will enter the kingdom of heaven, but only the person who does what my Father in heaven wants? Many will say to me on that day, Lord, Lord, didn't we prophesy in your name? Didn't we force out demons and do many miracles by the power and the authority of your name? Then I will tell them publicly, I have never knew you. Get away from me, you evil people. This is very dangerous. Now, making kinds of some me satana sejene ho. Awurade. Oso nyu ho mo se Awurade. Eyampaso ubia si Awurade. Nkremofo si Awurade. Abosomsomfo si Awurade. Illuminati fo si Awurade. Buddhist fo si Awurade. At the Mustafa 8 years. 8 years, thank you. 8 years for si Awurade. Ubia ke Awurade. Everybody. Ubia yeba wono woto the nisha suriya. They mention Awurade. But are we really doing what God wants? Even though we mention him, Awurade, are we really doing his will? It will be a winning. It need too many Facebook. A lot, everybody go to church. Ubia. But to go to me who dear why ya? What the abetua? What's that true scripture gusua? No busa who said debut. Is this person really know the God he or she talking about? Obi to me dressing half naked. No what true quotation gusuro. Yes. Obio to me dressing half naked. The why no who did you know? Obio will never do that. But obey ye. Not de gusoro e kire se wo nyame ka ne ho but de waye no ho no enhye urade na wo se wo ka no ho ne nimonyam. People mention God in their secret places. They practice Buddhism. They practice Illuminati. They practice occultism. They practice Sakawa. But when they come out in public, they announce to everybody that they know Christ. Whereby the things that they do in the secret places doesn't please God. How can we make it to heaven in this? It's like Michiri adiwe. And fadiwe nkami Michiri. But ubeya di krona Michiri na sama me fans. Na ayo waji se. Adia no mempe, but fans na wodi mami ninti mi po magiatu. It does not work that way. E wo musa dress ya ma dress no, enko ye de. Ba ma me nchiro mu ne nipa nyina hu sampa me ameti we. Onyame kura mabasa o, onyame ka me ho pa. Me do awurade pa. Me ne nam, me ye mojato da me na yam na awurade no nim me. Awurade nsa wo me so de ode ne nsa be ka me no de mo chocho ni bi na me keke yo de ode ne nsa be ka me no de ne nsa ka awurade woni wakosua me ye awurade dia me ye awurade woni wakosua. No weapon shall form against me will prosper. Akodie bi ne wo be sori etia me be gina tetrema biara be sori etia me no nyame be bu ni fo esan se me ye awurade dia but de waye ne ho no so nkyere wo bi a wo ye awurade dia. Enti are we bullying Christ? Unse we ye failed you. Et is that dear Abranti biwo area. No be a bunu kowinsani. Or no monsa to me bro. Na sister be pa out to sister yi. Nyasem ketwa. Brother ni fitiko ti o si. Eh mikunu. Net say was me dofo. Enwa de menwu mikunu na enwa de chese me nija show. We are all din ho fell because ye chichire no boduam de ne ma na kro mpe no. E ye fell di en wudi. Ye di rade ho fell. You know, telling people that we know Christ, whereby our lifestyle and our behavior does not please God. Obi si woni mo rade, obo rade din. But woni ni nyasama no afre nsuo. No atokusua no bodua. Sunday no akotena Sunday no atonyum. Sunday no akotena Sunday no awoso malakas. Sunday no akotena Sunday no abodu tai. Sunday no akotena Sunday no lidi kwa. Sunday no akotena Sunday no shemaku atade. Oso woni mawurade. Are we deceiving ourselves or what? Are we trying to deceive ourselves? Nyamini yidin who fell sana nasase. And to no one that saw because the free me so called minu. Who are one yet yet tane? Wouldn't you radin and so one shannon munam? Wouldn't you radin and so one yard dear besonany? Wouldn't you radin and so one yet you will pay? Me pacho, the American who may have me to me too many one. Na me shin ni pa see where they can ho no. Ah, could you be anywhere best sorry etia me no. Me sinere nye ye. Me di ma foti asema mi o. Obema na ye. Ah, what to sanum we sa could you be best sorry etia me eri nye ye. Wo hwe nipa na brabo. Ah, wo se wonim Christ no a. Wo de to nsani ni a emfa. Matthew and come what to me the pictures of one nayam we are half naked complete. When you quotation the way that the person will use to shut people's mouth to not rebuke what she's wearing. Because when you see the picture, If you cry where you are for, unimono. Kabe to me to the said this is not good. But when they can't go say wono, don't even say anything because unyami kurano. Yes. Obi unyami kurano no say na nene yeti. Say na will behave. Obi si woni mo rade. Why the bonne no? No bebo open. Gwan. Braya wo bi pono no. Ame no nkasa. Osu woni mo rade o. Braya obi pono na oso wo kwasia pa. Me so kwasia pe wo kwasia se nyame aminim no ne asori me sika de me yew no kampe. You see that? What we no was in Jesus. Tisani pa we yan show. Tis woni mo rade anti ko nhyɛ na nimonyam. Sasani pa we ni mo rade a nka wo nhyɛ na nimonyam. We say we know Christ. But you didn't who fell. You didn't dear to your so. And you didn't who fell. Yes, listen, no. You're churching. You're bonny ding by your churching. Obi di bonny pa. No mention already. Obi si woni mo radio. But they want to buy a water and ding, and so will be when you ready. And you was sit down. Nipo be bleeding me, Baba. As somewhere I'm confirm my false teachers, false prophet in Guo. It goes to you and I also. You're both ready day and night. Also, when you ready, sorry, but Subaya win the duo with Jumu. And say Christo ni, they see it, but they don't want to say it. You do office over Jumu. Watch your quotation be a bureau, pictures of Bobo, watch your quotation be a CC office. But Subaya who done it didn't say, we Christo ni, who sent the young one of Joe, Echo chante, Echo worship idols. A dear cheer, no Sabbath na office. None you message you watch us also would ready. We a doctor. When you come will be bad. Doctor to me who better me read the best sound yard. When you may no coffee or best sound yard. What was doing himself we are occult. We are Illuminati. You chant before you go to your office. But will be your office member honor not cross to see you. Near true nyame. Quotations I can see in the go. But you know yourself as a rather no bonny ding qua. And if you are and shut any munyam. Into what chicken and answer where they. I saw by Shia Bema. Oh, me couldn't me doffo, me do pa. And so Obama say, don't touch me. Yet the animal must say that be Nintesa. Go be do be the Asakoya de Ope and Ameboa. You see a do ready, but he ain't the Ope. Nti sign me way. Is he going to say, okay? Also, do me one your pet me pet, but who don't mean that's it. Beseko heaven. We are living in the last days, sort of. The Radiba Bay and Nibino. Ubi shin a buff sheer, a guasasso in your common. And tis Sabrino, Sinipo Besmo ready as soon who in the cream. One summon and Nino who fell. So one summon ready and Nino who fell. Misrao, do not follow the footsteps of some of the false teachers and false prophets. Awo mukute ready din di shisha nkoma kese eye niema kese wa bra enye ready na fra wono ye safom asori mana yesu ye di echi no ye hwe yi na ya imitate what they were doing. We call on God, but we don't do what pleases him. So if I na one fan one year, mpaya wa bo and super da sugu swa wuju hu ba bia enye no wo bo awurade din die but ade ye ye hye awurade ni munyam no onye. So what you say? The will be Emma unyame kai no. You don't do it. And one fine was womb. And I'm saying they are no. And I'm ready. And the feather, no, ya come in a chintino. Am I ye dear cucrucias ye? Ye tempentenqua, ye bre. Oh, Christo suma continue. Because ye could trouble day. Ye they are not casafa ready because we go on more person ni pass me so boy ready, but on ye dear ready pen. Nkabeya ma say, ube ye dear ready pen, what bunny din dance, ube boy ready din what brown ye dear pen. So what you say? What brown ye dear pen, et is a bofra, one in the mamma and the papa tier, or so I know the mamma and the papa a man who fans. Then so mamma and papa ne casa won't ye. Nidi ane say o kodru hanu ma o ma me no hwan me ma me ne asmesi o papa no hwan me papa ne asmesi but the papa no ne ma me ne pe no onye. So what you say and me pese me ka kire wo bibia e ma ne tie ase say so wo nye di urade pe na wo di ni din bon ho asafo hina eda no wo be ka se woni wo da Wobeka se fi mi suko mi hu ti wose wobeka se hu da nti bi ebe ye ose urade ni mu but wose da no onim se wudi bone onim se wo ye papa nti da no wobeka se hu da onim. So what you say because one nye di ope nti so obi nye di urade pe no sade ni di bon ho asafo hina sister brother e ye fewdie udi urade ho few ye fantutu ye nipa so wudi unu bi ho few a ya na te sei so nyu obi pa Kristo sunti ni mu bi jai manaka obi kreti mi bru unu because of so wedi ni ho few. So what you say e fewdie enya de papa nti nyame na wo boni di no nenso wonya di ope no eye fewdie na wo di urade o fewdi fu bia nso wonya nkoma ne kra. So what you say we have to be very careful on this scripture keke ya mabuni din kakra bi say do nye komo enye komo wonim pa se wonyame se wo chiri kronobo wo ti kronobom but obi na no bia nso a no wo bo urade din whereby ya die wo ye no wonyame mpe ebinum timi di urade din bo wura baabi me age wo mutum at the end of the day no ma ya de egu urade ni mase wo kono wo di urade din ko basubaye ti ni mu no nye urade a nti wasi ye nti ye say urade din wa mamam ye di urade din ko baabi but subaye ye ko yin di wo hono no en kire urade su nti at the end of the day na afei nipa edi nyankopon natem enne yenya no masofo bi suban nti wura baabi kra na wo ye sofo a na waka wano otum ntumi nkasa kese because nkofu bi ayama ya destroy wo mudin asa wo bo nyame din kra wo mo se de ya ti abre nyemo mo bo urade din na mo sori a mo bo tutu akase yi mo bo krono akase yi mo ya azan yi ni yidi nyankopon natem ye suban bi nti we carry his name but we don't do what pleases him. Yes, we urade din dese e de kokunya de ye pe but at the end of the day we don't do what pleases him. Yenya dia ebema nipa na hye urade ni monyam ye ya dia ebema nipa no bo ape nti musimu ni urade ni na mu ye sei mumpo musimu ni urade mponi e na mu ye sei otofo mpempenso ye dru no se wo be ye nwuna ye nwunu wo be ye hia Yeshe. Kutubu jadi unyamini ni yasem. Baby a wo kona wonim se wo de tegade din kwa yemfa wo. Wani chia se wo de tina man din ne kwa ya yemfa wo. Wo kwa wo de Awurade din ne kwa so wo kwa ya asem ba wo sie ma akusua ne bodua. Wo de Awurade din ne kwa yo. Wo kwa in fact wo chia kwa wo se Christ asomdue nka. Obi wo ye no se wo we di wo ye Kristo ni. Abranti bi o teacher o hwi ni ese yemfa adwuma ne ma no opewi dodo. We di Kristo ni waba. Kristo ni ba ye na bibi kakra bi si ya. Ofe wakotam kosue frɛ antoa eni nsuo bia bi e de aburudua. Nti ama nipa ba nenum ama ntasi usane. Obi ye speechless e wo ho. Obi ye na adwene ye ha. Moses sister kuya na discipline am. Enti Moses braya na aye no ho te se de konfo. Ei na braya na se wonye Kristo ni. Se suba wo yi na di wa kom wa papa. So what you say? But when we are doing something, we use name Jesus Christ. You so ready to get what we want. And at the end of the day, we finish with idols. Is that good? When we are in Ghana, you're Pevisa America. You drew embassy the way we do ourselves. We just want to tell them that we are Christian. You peseka komema ya kwanke ya lacha wo mu yire yim preach. Nti some of them wo wa ya konchene wo bo mpaye wo kwa embassy wo kona buru ni hwe ne soro ne fam wo sesa ne free soro fam say wa osem fam no ye e wo mu ye yipa wo mu soro Awurade mabte mpaye mabo e de no am fa. Because omo krumo ni pa bibiri omo di Awurade din bai atra omo di ne niema omo ya nti wo begina ho na wo be ye wo bebo waso because of some people behavior obi a shada bokreleka akugina ho mu buttons ne chain da na kokoso setieni a wo pe visa maame ne ma ne ho kwan nko hye no nkom nso wono a wote wi wo bo Awurade din die na nso suba yekuta no enye Kristo ha. Enye Jesus how azao enye kono nti amasese wo ko baby na wo bo Awurade din a nipa no hye wo soro na wo fam because onye wo nko na waye obi abodin no so wonye papa. So what you say nti si ye bo Awurade din no ne enya ade ye papa dia na ye fewdifo na ye fewdie. Last Facebook what lady or bar wall for or she skirt wa wire be seen ho akaka krebi no hu ne underwear ne pants a no akaka krebi no hu we what true quotation e de guso okay what true quotation de guso na man for man fans we was say God bless you nti nyame please say ye half naked natural quotation go through so nyame ka ho whereby ya de wo ye no unyame ntimi ni kura nhwe udi ne ho fa e ye fewdie se ya nhwe ye sa nyama nkakra wi e we ye bremu ne wodo we are fighting so hard Yesu Kristo o me fa nipa ote Jesus Christ ba o ba no me fa nipa obi a obebe fa no obi a ne honhom tinimu nkonkon so ntine obi mu e ma nim behave just like that. Enti once a wutumi nya kokudro ebo Awurade din esa ko hye wodabrichiri e chante e worship idols e ye Illuminati e ko chante hye red e ye niema kanchi wodabrichiri e pia bonte meka sa wodo Awurade no wo ba obeka chuso wonim. So what you say a lot of Illuminatis on their Facebook reading quotations but at the middle of the night so nyami bi wodi am wo matade e hye no ene koma wo komo ne dabrichira you will be shocked. And who are we fooling? We are in a time that we have to prepare ourselves. This time is a preparation time. You prepare yourself because we are going to face tribulation. Nye komo. And yema kesi di nti sa obeja so for papa bia woni baby ye duru no wo ye the juma ten so woni be ba wo so. The same as the devil also is working faster. Nye komo. And no me hwe news. Nam tisi say ye ba be ma at the say ye be issue driving licenses among for omuni papers. Omuti krono illegally omuni papers. Nka ye crime. See a betcho say wo kura woni paper. Afei de ye ba be issue driving licenses. You know why? So mom issue driving licenses na ma wo mo omuni papers na. Ombeda mo 666. To count everybody, including CCC, no, and yes, Sadia, Nkofo, Mohintano, a woman in Kratan, Umuni falso, Nti Sadia, Yama, if you Mumra Bonte, Ubi now a clap, every other was say, hey, Cecilia, they were using it to see you. What would you see? No, they were using it to find where you are, who you are, near to make sure CCC the amount. So what you say? Because the Bible is a brand new point. Never cast the city. I want to buy mpufrimu. And I was saying, everybody person. They were tracking everything. And now me ba menu me say, oh, ubibi dia sa woni fie. But this is not a good sign. Because now, no, they were tracking everybody. They were tracking everybody. So what Buchi, so what Europe. They were tracking everybody. This one kokotenase. News the baby. Nipani biakam. Say time. Or she do one woman or commanded. Do this, do that. Go here, do this. Until you're checking the pana. We also have the people that they were in secret. So then we have to go out and say that we were going to issue them driving licenses for them to be able to drive. Now they say hit and run another also. That's a lie. They were using this to track everybody. Last time Mekai said our journey is going to start 2020. And when a Christopher journey be chance, nti say Christo ni papa bia e fight say hunkunko ntini mu hunkunko beba betani mu no wotuma gina ene wo bonefo na de a e ba yeso ne na di esie. So what you say? Hey, first we buy okruma woni nkrata na ene mitu anotoa mikuta American passport so me bonyo so eye me say me nakedness nyina gu abonten ye hu me every secret I can hide. Baby I met me who see Christo. They know everything in my house. Banakulas is me so ye checking me everything. It's easy for them to get me. Ntitoro bia me hu obi oni nkata me say brother and sister oni fans so woman ni. But instead of punish a kukum, instead of so bomba ye say unkunkru me friend nipadua ni diso no wo bomba ye say ye man and krata no ye dey be tracking no na ko wu. So what you say? Because Bible says she shama hini ne metene ne kane na me de yenu nyina beka ho and the prayer lines are so ye man nyina most of them 90% are there for citizenship. Umbenya nkrata, ubenya social security, ubetimi de yejuma. But all these things so they were using to track you. And tisabri at the ni pressure e ye se oni wunyamentem be ye kronkron no ubenya and they say hunkunkro bek and only your visa and your passport are you just have you. Yen shisha wona mudie. So what you say? And only your visa and your passport and what's your shisha because you chum a kruma yin free. Tis a min free now money hankata men found. Nkrata I be guarantee me. I bet mama make it to heaven and none was in the passion at this end time. So what you say? Nkrata ne de mo musu ho no mo come to mo yam because ye ba be track you nti ye de be ma enche nkrata na wusu hu na nti di ade papa wo so wo hwehwe firi awurade mu no wo hwehwe no a wusu hu no enche wo ye de ba be man force because ya mfa ma wo ye ntumi ntrake ye de be man na wonya wo nsanya ka wi a woni wo mu nni na ho go no so hum fam ni honam fam ye trake wa wi ufie ni wobonti nyina egu wo mu nsam. It will be a time nipa be person will be jamia konikrum Ghana nso ni ya trake ni wontumi ebeye kakra nipa ye pese ye tira kurum ha ni yetumi tira na bibia kosomai ebeye kakra we will want to run away from this country. Mark it on the wall. Mark it on the wall. Ebeye kakra no you will grab their papers, throw it to them and want to run. Now what they will nso wonya ebeye kakra papers no passport ni kuta no nkebeye oseka wodi bi kwa kaye. So what you say? Nti se wunya papers ni passport a enya no no. Ani pe bi wo mo. E bi kwatimi didi bi no matem. Afiri wo ko. Uti wan mo wo de ai. Wo ya mema ho akere pa. Wo ya memo ye de wakofi. Sa nipa no so wo ya. Wo be ma ho akere ne ye de wakofi no. E be kakra wo be pesi kurum ha fo ma ne kwan. No wo tena mi kurum anwe ne board jo nso wonya. Me kam akere. And they were tracking us 24/7. And you come on. They were tracking everything. Everywhere you are, they were tracking you. And you wanna do tikushim. So what you say? And you wanna do tea. I want you to baby. Now do tea about bishim. Ebeye kakra. Ghana, you don't need visa to come to America. Now, so you show people that are dying to come to America from Ghana. Ebe kakra ye be embassy ni nyina afi kronim e just a chip. Who pesa ko America, go here, get your chip. For address my when I walk church address ni nyina go, you're done. Ko ha say it take 5 seconds, get the chip. What you chip? When you do chip ni we, the only thing you need is buy your ticket. You're done. Say the be mu be ba be gummo. What you say? They say we ain't show. Yes, Western Union. Yes, MoneyGram, money transfer. All these things. Yes, Ghana. They say all these things required ID card, right? Mobile money. They set all these things up to track us. And they say, because Abia Ghana, I was so be this camera. Without ID, untumi go easy kano. Nti ba o me so beji ID card, right? Insurance card. Without the ID card, ukwa information guso, you cannot get it. Ya di tramu unkurasiye. We are doing all these things. Phones, ubeto credit, egu phone. So all these things requiring ID. Business on the phone, all these networks is coming together just to track every single body. So what you say? And Tinema Koswa, he said, you are autumn, oh, he said, you have a messenger free me fear, Makos and Nisika, and you have a messenger free me fear, and once my money water, and once my money water, and once my way, oh, way easy. It's getting easier for them to get the whole of you. So what you say? It's getting easier for them to get the whole of you. So this time that we are in, ye mo erade din wa bra yenye di ope. Sabri, we mention Jesus like we mean business. We mention him real. Say the way obeba be nyan fan obeye ne tenabre wo yemu. Na traka wo mo traka ye ni nyina. Ehum betu asoroche bebo. Ye be see ye dan wo botan so. Obotan ni Jesus Christ. So when see dine wo botan no so na kusi na anwea so a ehum betum frema bebo e be gine ni nyina gufom de wo ye yo nkata wo nya yo de wo ni nyina be ye kwa. So what you say nti obi ba utumu so wo soma wurade pa obi dra buchira adwumasem obi kora ye sofo adwumasem nti wagya sofo die wa trade wo nyame asem a wode kogye akara no e di kopi sika. Ni nyina ne so wa bruchiri wo pesika sidan. But these people are tracking every single thing in our lives. So we have to be wise. We have to be very careful. I was seeing Nyankopon dam fofa tight. I was seeing Nyankopon wo Kristo mu no na ye mo awurade din kwa. E ma ye moni din kwa eni ne ho few. Wa bra yakoma eni ne ho. Wa bra ye nya di ope. E ma ye moni din kwa e ma nipa bi mekasa ntia no because of say ye aboni din ya nya di ope e ma nipa nsa no ho ye ho enkokasa ntia no. So what you say? And you might echo so this time no. I was say ebre ne beko nipa ebre nipa beka se ye wa hotom. Sa emuni ekoyo. Now the things that is difficult for you to get, now it's going to be easier for you to get. Just because they want to track you. Things that now are hard for you to get, now it's going to be easier for you just for them to track you. So what you say? And until this is the time that we have to wise up and seek the face of God. And yes, sir, we will just walk around like everybody else. We will go to church and pay offering. Mr. Last me to one, lady need to say. Bible no what try so the be handkerchief. No the Catholic so. Bible no what try you can see. So wo pipia she's suffering. What try pipia Bible na the Catholic so because I was that tienimu. So for so jinanim. These people will come out and take picture on Facebook and write to say, in God we trust. You na mensa one so nipa ntumi nya no bone. Obeyi quotations bi aba ya na obusa ho say, nti ya hu di kan ready ansa wo de beto. Ana wo de beto so bi ready mma no. Enti obi a woni nyame asem no, what was say na say Kristo som no kra nya chechirbu o. We sister ikra we half naked. Nso awurade don wa hwe say we Kristo ni. Hwe so wo chiro quotation egu o. Afi wo fa ho no. Enam so wo nsua chiro sem niti. No no so one logo lie. No odi akire. But onyame bonyo so. Onyame ne bonyo so. Onyame bonyo so. But no one here. You see a book or sorry them. Wabra who call him for anymore. Who dressing modesty. A kruma kramoko court. Moko court. Bema, o yo, de biabishia na yo. And so what he did court, or cotton, or needs you to cromaka current to be the ashe. Or boost you to botai. Or look decent, or court, or call lawyer nim keke. Or kohuja keke. Or dressing decent, or your bar, or only half naked in Chaninu Fumuha. And shattered in or dressing decent, or more lawyers and no more Krumham, Mushik news sooner, or money stars and no see a castle lawyer be echo and say, Judge be and now star be echo court, and your mind sees your moon. Was she suit in skirts? A tradico to J. Come. Lawyer no dinner chino, so your bar. Natadia Shana come on the baggy kutano. Nimpa washa no kru with the chili. Ninyan said they were going to court. They dressed decent to go see judge and lawyers. But we, you see, Pampa, go ready, and go ready, and the Nima and Fatan seven ye. Ye their cotton in you. You are near the trust of no, ye peep, near their tree and not so cover. Who are we fooling? Who are we trying to fool? And then you too ready is so a tree, and you bring me was like you bow ready, you so good so no sunny but shay, and you bring me so near you be baby, and you fool ready when we are mobile, or no so was that carabino about will be chilly pop bonny soca, what would Janice of him but to nip to Jim, or better or so ya can someone and ye ja, a peony padders the near or bow, and an aqua to Jim, it is Sabrina, or shut and mother patch out. Washo, send him ma, ever patcho. Eradisha, send him ma, ever patcho. Bible no ko Second Chronicles. Second Chronicles, chapter 7 verse 14. 2 Chronicles chapter 7 verse number 14. Because I mean can English. 2 Chronicles chapter 7 chapter 7 verse 14. 2 Chronicles chapter 7 verse 14. Second Chronicles chapter 7 verse 14. Or say, however, if my people who are called by my name will humble themselves, pray, search for me, and turn from their evil ways, then I will hear their prayer from heaven and forgive their sins and heal their country. If my people who are called by my name, but we don't humble ourselves. Some men my body from or be brew on one say. No ma frame eja ni fie or na kom bone ho. Enema Christopher yi ni ahobrase yi de kwa awrade anim. Ye bo awrade din but unyame so wodom ahobrase fo wo sie hantan fo kwan. Unipa wo ye hantan ene obaba wa wo be sha atade half naked e de akotena sori dem e ya hantan. Abrantie be dress anyhow what ya so dem no cheche who ko busa no say ofi America e ya hantan o. Christos your mind, Christianity and your mind. And to see your mind Christianity, we have to humble ourselves. But you mre who say, and she ready you na say. You body din keke, but you mre who say shana say. You too ready switch you penning some shira. But the opposite, we don't want to do it. Ye peradi samushira, ye penadum, ye penadoye, ye penimobruhunu, but a hum brasia, ye don't call any with Johnny free a quamboneo, a cosrano, ye yet nan campus of Friso, and we are mobile. Remember to radis a sotia, and mer to radis a sotia, and collect to radis some a sotia, and cocranim rewa, and to radis sotia. Was a silver brayer once ya, and son will be a cool radium, every giant bonnet on Naya Humbrasia, and none say a brayer once in Tino, and tis was a second brayer once ya. If they will humble themselves, no one Johnny if you want to come bonnet, no one be so famous of a radical you on a major one so. Nama saw my idea. But we don't do this. You could have time near ready commanding what we want. A hand time no, we are commanding God to do something for us whereby we don't humble ourselves. So what you say? Me kai new year ni. Na me make me no. Me suma almost said New Year 31st night. Nam se mon komo papa nchen no nhira mo afia ye be wuremi obia anko mumi no monko nko kanche monko papa nim monko koto mo papa nim no bless him. That's the most important gift that you can get from your father. Am not tell me no kudru ho na pani na bunko todwe na ketwa ne gina ne naso nti ne omo papa ensa no mienu no pani na bunko todwe nti ne papa msa wa na ketwa no so gina ho na nsa no ba ko ha nti susu ampa se wo mumienu ho na obefu nyame be firi soro mo soro hu ne mo bo pani ketwa no ejina soro ogina ho say ti wo so ne papa reaching hands e de koto na pampa mu ha na ketwa no so abu nkotodwe na papa no so nsa wa ha nti ayi say no wo bo mpa mo nti ho na nyame be hu so wo humble from heaven sande yaye sana yaye ye pawrade nsemu hira but ye gina soro nti omo pa enam se mako o se an Nam si oh today so mo nyina mo bu nkotodwe efriketwa no yeah I was standing and Loveless was kneeling down. Hey bra, you were standing. You huh? You were standing. Now they want David. You someone my eco friend by David Jiran and Nasu ni Isra and Wong. So you are standing. No humbleness to your standing. Ujina so papa reaching the hands in free her. Unko cancel her. Now brown koto. And you be that. That's what we are doing. We are standing, but we want the blessings of God. We are standing, but we want the glory of God. We are standing, we don't want to bow down. We don't want to kneel down. We don't want to humble ourselves to get the blessings of God. We don't. But was say if my good people who are called by my name will humble themselves. Was say humble until first you have to humble yourself. If you really want something from him, you go with humbleness. But we don't humble ourselves. We are right here and still we want him to bless us. We are right here. Instead of calming ourselves down, you're lifting yourself way up and we still want him. But he also is saying that if my people, will say, however, if my people who are called by my name pray, what was it? However, if my people who are called by my name will humble themselves, listen to this. First is humbleness. My people who are called by my name, if they will humble themselves, so he first needs your humbleness. Pray, search for me, and turn from their evil ways. Until first you have to humble yourself and pray. And turn from your evil ways. If you do this, and but without humbleness, first, you have to humble yourself first. But we say we cannot humble ourselves. And you too kolo. This nyamena this end time no. So this generation no. We don't do like those old people used to do. We can go to God anywhere, anyhow. Yeah, I read my ba. I feel where they was so shira me pa. Share. I feel where they want shira me. I mean go. Me come chair. Hey, rather me chuba from her. Me chuba from her. I feel where shira me pa dia. Share. Me so be umi afere wate. Rather me say me chuba from her. Look at this. Look at this. Wo jina wo bompaye krano. The mpaye wo boni arrogant. Be humble. Until the more you're doing that, no, because we are stupid. You don't know how to humble yourself. When him say you see copen, when Musan Habai into one few. Until I don't know what to ness and who now in the buffer, or best small buff when you be a power soon. So what you say? What's your suffering? O bring your mind to go. You say 7 days fasting. No, but no yibi. O ko boy jamai. Say what you win now in a metan for. And so 7 days fasting na no twem. Onu nkwenti ye sompa yinim no pega ne nsabia onyame to ne no hu no nko a ni nyina yinhira boye. Ni nyina yinhira boye. Wanu nkwenti o emumu yodi a wayenti wo be fra ye nti ye nyina yi pega yensa no no so pega bia onu nko an nsenti onyame ma ho bi o Bible no ko Isaiah 66 verse 6. Isaiah 66 verse 6. Bi o Bible they call. Isaiah 66 verse 6. Turn your Bible to Isaiah 66 verse 6. Or say, Muntio, and ni be free kronum, and ni be free. A sorry fee. A radia, uchia na tamfoka, na tamfo ne yoya soka no ne. O nyanchim yeno, na wawo. Awoya enyanka no, na wawo obaberema. Why na wati ye bi pain? Why na wahum ye bi da? One chimo yeno, na wawo asase dakro. Wase wawo asase dakro. Anase awoya o mai preko. Efri se wawo awo kanu zion ara. Oh, mami fanyina ha. Wase 6 no wase. Muntio eni bi free krom numu. Eni bi free asori fie. Ewrade a wuchia na tamfo ne yoyo soka no ne. Onya nchim ye no na wawo. Awoye onya nka no no na wawo obaberema. Ababa will be tear so them on money and fasting and prayers. Wakoyin say a tugu, wafifen no, I got shim, force, amakolani yaba. Into was a nibi team, e wukrum, sani a team wukrum, krum one man sorry demon, ubia koyibi, unyamini team, uye yansoma, was a nibi team was sorry fear. Natures will be so sorry demo, or no so koyibi, was still ready with cheer and tamfuni also cano, and ne, a baba when yan chimney and no, a young canon no baberma, that. Why not we be pay? Why no we be pay? Arrogant. Ye be no casino ready, ye be no tunium, ye be no shield ready, whereby and ye de ready penny ye, until ye no me was still ready with cheer and tamfuni also, until what be yes, I know, who be no soon your metamfo, until we cheer woka, until Nina et him who could near your commentation. And near at him one crying Kumase, Bantama, and near at him Australia London, Germany no, and Nina at him Italy, and Holland no, Unyankopo would cheer na tamfoni also come. Would cheer Sankofu in Asoka. We mention God's name, but we don't do his will. We don't do what he wants. We are so arrogant. We mention his name and do filthy things against him. We did not put it in him. And so I watch him. No, you see, and the same people at the end of the day, you should share Radin in some shira. Yes, when you say, what fish so no one so the way you thankful. Which year not time for Leo, yes, so. So what you say? Ababa, when I was so bad, but your man's son, and so for what be preaching. Would you need it? Your boy ready didn't kick it. Your boy ready didn't kick it. Need no wonder was the no one was semi say ready. Was the dano in the public beba? I can say ready. Yam Faudi and Shankom, Yam Faudi to do a home bonny. Was the minimum that me one da. Moon frame is so called more money dear tony. A dano, or be catching you movie, a rather young sorry Sunday, ye cheer tight, ye cheer offering, ye cocoya doye, ye say, was the me, minimum da. Moon frame is so called more money dear tony. Every man preaching on Facebook was in new da. What 1 year dear telling. Every man true quotations. Every Facebook was a free so called. Minu da. What 1 year dear telling. Every man just come in fancy sordan. Was a free so called. Minu da. What 1 year dear telling. Every man go proper son demo. Was a free so called. Minu da. What 1 year dear telling. Every man told you more son demo. No me don't qua. Was a free so called. Minu da. What 1 year dear telling. Dear some way come first prophet in Guam. It goes to us also. Already now you're telling us, no, yeah, you are petty. Are we doing what he wants? Or we are just doing whatever we want? We are all caught. was sorry Sunday kwa sorry. Was swimming me for fro, and so was sorry Sunday, got not sorry them. What shanta on the double chile, and so sorry Sunday, got not sorry them. We Illuminati, but was sorry Sunday, I got not sorry them. What boy ready day, but when you ready pet. Why? Because we are not humble. Was if my people who are called by my name will humble themselves. First, you have to humble yourself before you pray. By Yakwati humbleness, we are bigger than humbleness. We cannot humble ourselves, but we need something from God. How can this be? How can this be? Arrogant. Arrogant. What you want, mama? When you're so arrogant, now we focus on you. Tamo obrena once any time na wo fo no mani sika to de nidi. At the moment that onu wetumi ye adwuma koba no, bibi ni wa beka wo bitie. E arrogant. Abofra wonti na gya ne na asem. E hantan no. E hantan. Mama ni beka, papa ni beka. Koko ye wei o se yo mate. Won kasa nso wonye e hantan. So what you say? Nti wo bede woni nyame nsem nhira wa bra sa su we kuta wo. Ehi na won fa nhira wo because I was so bubu kotoje. Nsa na nhira na timi amba wo susu be gina wo naso. Wono so wo mu gina so no. Wo nhira wo. Gise wo mu mo bre wo ho ase. Yesu ye gina so. Ye kotoje ni is so special to bow down. We are so special to calm ourselves down. And Untino, ye gina so he ya shira ye. Ono so ni shira no, we are addicted to be ujina ho. We are addicted to be ujina so. So what you say? We do all these things. We call the name of the Lord. Sister, the way you know friend will be preaching, but the way you know does not please God. You see, I will move abruchili. I will move. You better tries this in actually your home. I what dear you say I will be dear. And so starting the Uber party national. Nippon no see what didn't to better tries this. I should you may be ready pen. Uber call sorry them 1 minute to one party national. Uber no shot dear enter and go to jail. And so now we will snow go from. Arrogant. Who can see a butchini one? Arrogant. One person will be tea ready in the new muscle. One pet or say, what do ready? But I did ready pen on Uko cows, yea. And none will be casse. A quay, send no choose at the bay. No, me show be actually a watcher. Say, Sophia, or so a young who will be so. Why you guys are judging? Why you guys are judging? Michelle Sanam said, this time, people don't want people to rebuke. Was it too full? Yeten, Kenimu, Abujitre, and in Chile. What they can't catch say a default for the bar was the one ba. The Bible no come Matthew chapter 7 verse 15. Or say, Monja Muye, a default for him. Say, Yam try. Nti so say ye default for him, the just a default for we have to enlighten people. We have to tell people. The one you say you're warning to say, hey, where you default for. But when they do something that we talk about, can we ready the camp boy kokoa? Mama san can be. Matthew chapter 7, verse 15. Was in the motion ye a default for him. Now one nam in yan telling you mamu, bamon chain. Now one mu dear, where ye empataku a duflupe for 16 was a one ba na mudi be who one ba. The woman no woman and the bema who's away where you default for. And when we see it, that we can recognize him. Hey, so way where you default for. What's the answer who ye? Nti se wo di for trufu bia e wo so wo hwe wo yie woni ho nso neme Kristofo wo mu bi wo ye trufo ne yo ne bibia kire se wo ye di for trufo na Bible ka se ye hwe ye hu yi wo ho no wo se you are judging wo masi wo maso ma ne kore ye bi nkontompo ku epon ene ye tu atro efra konya so ene ye di nkontompo si dwa so enti se wo be ka no kore pa people you will be a lot of people's enemy. They hate truth and they embrace lies. Ye boy tumpai e gura safo e di atrenim boni enim ne ye shin ye shay the say no kredie e to akonya na ye ma ne to asifam na wo da so da fam so wo kam e tie mu no kore nso nipa se ontie wasi yenche ye wuye nti senka difo atrofo ni hodia ko nka nche se yenche wasi monhye mu wuye difo atrofo wonum nyantene mu beba mo nchen wo beba bebo Yesu Kristo din wo be jana sore dem abo Yesu din wo be kanche katon so ka kire wo se woni mawrade Yesu Kristo kan ho that says the Lord whereby ya wonyame nim no nti wasi monhye mu wuye difo atrofo no wonum nyantene mu beba mo nchen nanso wo yem pataku adupurupefo wona ba na mo di be hu ti se ka yi Kristo nipa ka di for na ba ka di hunu kan ko nka you won't sit there and defend him nka you won't sit there and talk anyhow. People are dying, people are marching to Hades day and night. When you say di for bi wakodi duro e hye na sori ase wo na sori ase ti se de wosom bosom onyame ni abosomsom fo wo montam ti say wasi abosomsom ye nkwase asem obi osom busum ye onyame ne wasem ena nkofo yi bibia kotu nuro abosom na hihye wo monsori ase na omudi ye nyankomade na nipa domaji chiko until we have to tell them say hey mam nko ho na mko and you guys are telling us to not speak because ye jeje now when you say tell ni bu adeboni atay you don't know one when you say tell ni fo na be bu adeboya fo atay woni mo you don't know obi an kan kire Atenefo ni bi bu adeboye forte abofo yi bi bu onaten ni pani fra to the level me dwene ho amente ase wo be bo wrade din so na ni fra wo be bo wrade din so na ni na ho wo be bo wrade din so de ekoso enya no support eno ni nipa support wose monhwe mo yie obi ka se hwe ho yie wo se wo first wo yesu sei wo timi ko fa damfo bi papa se hwe ho yie wo wadamfo yi hwe yie pa wo ka wasem wose monhwe mo yie adifo atrofo ho ne che se adifo atrofo ho enyu mo nyina na ye wrade dia so wose ye nje ye ho yie dia ne che se they were there hwe nipa doma egu adifo atrofo yi asafo je ni pardon je ni dano akwebi se South Africa news hwan Pastor Luke you se hwan je nyankoma di abranti be ye ya ah obi e wonkuta nyame honhom ko atimu se we fake obi e wonkuta on spirit of God ko hu say this one day e fake but see the way people are defending this man. See the way nipa and just say wo do sum sin han nipa do sum esen han ni nyina na se nipa no brother na wo support no se nipa bibiri kodi na chinko jem you are supporting evil and so who support papa on support no that sankofo no mudi wo matem what you say the prosperity will preach pa will kind of crepa so they won't support you that may default to free in Kenya they will have people that they will support them. That's what they do. So what you say? That's what they do. You punish Bonnie. I'm a Bonnie be papa. I'm a papa be Bonnie. We refuse to recognize we your Bonnie. We don't want to hear. We don't want to listen. You see, we know, but we don't know. We know less. We know less. Arrogant say they won't humble themselves to Jesus Christ. No, because they were so arrogant. And yes, adia, befa kotikwe, no mo di Christo enim, no my omonema. Nti arrogant nti, no mo di Christo enima. Omuntumi stipaye ko muntumi nsa. Se beba so a, Jesus azamba. Na mo so mu bi se, omu frɛ Awurade. Nti Yesu ye tie kire no hu sɛ de omu ye ne mfrɛ Awurade. E de nipa kosa yim ne ekoka. Mo so me se we are judging. Na sem isu se munhwe mu ye adifo atofo nti se nka adifo atofo ni wa nti ko nyame beka chesi ye nhwe wuyi obia nso ukura the spirit of God who adifo atofo wutumi hu se weyi oye adifo atofo onya correct wase wona ba ena mudi be hu obetime akugina sori dem congregation kakraka yeja wosoro kwa yintumi mo Yesu do untumi nka don 3:16 untumi mie na no mprichi bi wo mbete won ma ye nsentrene ma nipa boaje won so saa akopim so mo de bepon Bible no ye mie enti etesai se Jesus Christ na soma na nko nka Yesu ho asem nso we di bi omo ba di omo be kama nipa je wo modie no omo be ye nsentrene ne di age wo musika di eno no muguso no mu di akire nti beda ne nsa nipa we fra so dem ho no pie na utie na so wo muru nnua because wo koye no wankote unyame asema ebe bre na se di yensi so be yie baby wo gine yin in fact last month wo ko yin sentu nso so fo afre na gina wono mo hye nkom so unyame ba be hira no we ba ya wonyankopon ese wo ye natamfo obi tua ne soka. So what you say? We be cheering suka, but these people we call them near the show come. Tina ni timu ya the no ayo komo jo ni bonim and it is wo ba na wo kan boni ni mo sister is ofri hin. Ade na wo bu aten. Sister ade na wo bu aten sa. Ah. Onyankopon ankase mi emu aten. Sister ade wo yi nyame na wo bu aten. Yesu Kristo o mesensen wi mu o me preach wo. Onam ye ni pai so na be preach wo. Nti asema wontumi mesensen wi mu nkan wo fa yi mu ne dia ka kyew atemu no so de wo buko nti wo ebebu abo no se wan sakra na wu ne ukohye enne ye wadom bre enne ye wo nkonje bre se ye be kasa na wo betie na wanko do amanim anye sa na ukoti nsem ye yekan na wuti boni mu a enne wu a no yi ni wo ma obium is over nsakra ye bi ni wo ma obium wontumi fie samando ma ensa ma me sakra wajre and then I was nipa da seni sakra nadwe no yi hantan free na brabum no bre ne ho ase enko ni nko to dwanim ko ka kire wade I surrender all to you. I surrender. But we refuse to do all these things. And at the same time ye po nyame nsam nshira. How can this be? How can this be? What ya sorry the money o papa no mama yaka no nyame sane nhira no de abro o papa no mama wo do ani hu wo mokra wo mu wo unya wo ma utimi papa wo mama so utimi didi na tem utimi boni din se ya do asi se bam e wo nani so wo wia wo didi na tem wo wia wo boni baye straight forward nanim keka bia kire no wo mokra wo do ani woni hu wo so wo mu wo bibu asafo wrade no wo ba bibu asafo wrade. We don't humble ourselves. Yet the boy we don't humble ourselves. Last making kind Bible and me be betum. Nanya me ya do much na. Me the making kind Bible and number bebia and I do bre be 2 o'clock and I do making kind Bible while I imagine mu saw and one am fa pen nam choro. Wo bura imagine mu quickly like that and one am fa pen nam choro. Afena shall say kasa it will be. So what you say? We refuse to humble ourselves. How can we be blessed? How can we be blessed? Ushia o mama says umuno, o papa says umuno, o fama memo, o makasakra na udi o matem wechiri. Why ye din so no oyo? Udi watem obru nia wana kuma o kase bisi wiye. Insi wiye da. O so won intiri bia onim nkremufo ya na me pe o masem duru bebia. Fuse na ko jira na ma menim. Pipe ano no otomane no wo ye beifo. Me sinka baby su me be free mirika ban. Sister wo be bo mo afenti. Wo be bo amo afenti ba ko bante makohe. We amini na masantifu mu kohe ade. Wo jina pipe ano no otomane ne mame. Beifo ba wo ma ye wontoye. Wo ye beifo no ni jina pipe ano no we kuta bucket half and half. Wo china na mame che wotimi chia na mame ne to asifo. Wo be de wa yinshira. Kozongu kokoe. How dare me muna so be tina ajenim. Ajen eh na brother no fa won se wenye obusiani. Me se wo fiti kotia no wo se wano a was obetima boa mo afenti. Obetima bo am afenti. So what you say? By your ban santifu mo. Hey, eyensuo. It's like the water that we drink. We straightforward. Last time I made him come on, I'm saying, Minimum mammy. And Shaboni, me should be cried that. And Shaboni say, me nippy that. Who did he the bay and the sun? And Shaboni cried me really with that. Oh, to me, yard, my dear, my dear. Because I'm afraid. Me mama so ushiana, titia krokro wakete. Me kasa da form. Me desa me kasa tizem papa. But don't try it. And try. Me nini jawa me wachen we titia krokro wakete. But don't try it. And try. But ubedru zongo. Na sa disrespect we ni wo. But ubedru santifum bantamane ne nkeka ho. Ubedru ho no. No wo jene maame. Wo jene papa. Maame ye hunu ne papa ye huni. Yentima mfebu ama no. Yentima mfebu ama no. Na Awurade ye fa ye ni hunu. It should be a mammy to me dinner time, which meet him at no cancer miss. I said, no, okay, that ye okay, crasso. Mean you so said the bayer, maybe man. Maybe man, no crackers a debut man. As something test min campo. I will just listen and let it slide. Min campo. Said the all can say no crack, say no crack. I don't even defend myself in front of her. I don't even do it. And no, me to one me drinking bibi. Na papa e preachy curses. Na me sister bia ye so force say. Na when you cha me kakra. Yesu so no. Na ni den. Na me papa so me ma me di kama ye hu nipa wo ye. Me papa am say no ye prophet. Me ejuma onyame de man no wanye eno na aso ye so a onyame pese wo de ye this time. Because nanka minim se ada se no wo yeso fo kese ana wo di fo kese minim na wa amane hu kwan ama nyame an yusu no ti me ma me di kan woni yesa wo papa na wo gina na num asem eti se ja etofo ma der nti wo be ye bibia heye na papa nkasa ngu so wo di kan de kiss we ma yen me papa so ne mato so obi ama me be fa ne ma ekoy e ka me ko na me te papa ne ncha na me hwe me woni fufu wo did 3 times fufu 3 times a day akola ketwa na yinu bia ni nchen no me na me ti ni nchen me di a woka wo fufu me ti me ko school mama break e wo se me ko wo me papa fufu mirika me soniema to what you that unyame fa obi kwa unyame wamfa obi kwa me papa ye nkokɔ nkonfem enwan anantwie emponche wo ye sanyema we nyina bi wo obi a wo ye farmer. He have all these things. Me moy bi aduane di. I was like this under my dad's roof. Ubia be fa ne ba firi me papa o na ka me ni nduane mo nketewa me ensa. Me so na me ye pani. Me na me hwe papa yi me si ne niema me ye ne bibia me papa so ye we ye justice unni agoro manfa wo sheka obi otimi de bo wasum sei na ne ka was ensa netal wa ha obi timi hu me no wati ni suo o se ndi unianum nti obi ama sa wo nko a nti dano me se me kan se mo yama ni pie dayem na me ka kire me se wa me se wonim me papa nhira ne de madura brochire tama na me papa te wono wona betra ne nche hwe no obi ama akola ketwa me na me si me papa nchen na me hya no papa ne difficult obi abefa ne bakoi na aka me nko a nti ne se me te ha eye me papa nhira na ye me sa yes onyame te soro onyame bu atentene ne wo hye me de na me ye no se akola me hira no ti se me papa mira no kro onyame ankasa hira me me kan se mi mani pie dayem me ka tell me say ai montimi nya me hwi wo fia sa na mpese mote ase me ma brocha me wo bia nsanim e me papa nhira ne de madura broche nti wo bia back off dayem me ne wo mo wo bia be fa ne bakoi wo bia se me papa is difficult ampaso wo teteba onyeba wo bia hia me kwanyam chaba college no ho fe nso me na metete me papa and I say me kai mrebi sister mente akwa God knows where he brought me out from. He knows where he prepared me from. Me kai mrebi mako nante anajo ama nyenya nchira kandenai nyenya nchira nkawoda ho ya chen bibia me na ya ho me san so 34 buckets me nsa ba kukuta poma me sunsuo me konsuo abehwe me papa ama me papa adware ama ne bia edi sine niema edi bia no aduane me sa at the same time me to wa bra me papa no busa o papa ne yere no wo woi ne ma bebe where are they mini ya no nketo me ensa me na me ye pani ti me hwe nkola nyina plus me papa ma bre ti de bia no me ka chen ama me se wo me papa ti ase akọ ne betete wo ka me do ba ko tena nche no wo hie bibi na wo pie mu ba na wo kasa you know what you're talking about. I came my father just a nyangro afi me sisters ya wo mo ntene nche no wo mo so ba wo mo mre no ho no mu be pesika mimi ba utimi joso me papa oni pam oni mi se ni pam de me papa ntimi nya ne hwe ni pam na me sister ya joso me papa eno wan hwe no onye sei no de ne kokot enne wo ye Kristo ni ba batete se di wonam gye obreo nye kom na mi sha ba mi hudi ekoso em se wonye nhuni obi enya nka nkire no na me so me de mintumi nkokra sa asemu yi me hu se no na ma wo timpintin kwa nye kom so what you say ye brome ni na me te wo even though na come kwa me hwe me papa no wa mama nyimi still obi tumi shada be ka teme man unko fa aba opa wonsi wo so be fa me no hwe opa wonsi wo so wo ba be fa me no hwe ade I care for him eduane se na metena kitchen no eduane a eye me papa kwa nyam che na kire me se di si no de even nante e kro kire me wonante wo fra na wo ba wo se di no wo ba joli sa no wo ba nante wo to abasa sa no ye wo Nyakom. Ukasa. Osi yankasa sa. Untia sante kasa. Yankasa sante kasa sa. No wachiraw. Ti mese wanu ba. Obeto se metewo. Afida me sister koy wo se munua no. Wa bremo papa. So what you say? Nti nya bibia sako na mama de tia nya silver platter so na me coming to me kasa wo. Wonya me wo training from somewhere. Wo baby odu bedu a wodu fa bibi ma nti wo peja wo si wanu ma. Then you are so smart. You have the wisdom to speak to people also. And na baya be ne be sa. Abaya be ubi to the coin nurse ni bi o se doctor bi ye number krum ho foforo no ni afre me ubi nu abe ni oni oba ne ho no ma ni bibia from sa aba out mu say yes apem ni agina wo hwe body out mu say yes apem ni say ye menkani na wo tu out mu say yes wo hye ni say no de ayero wo se fa ko doctor ni fi fa ko che no wo so na so na de ko nti obi a oni me papa no wo hia me na obeka say no wonder. No wonder when you shira wa udishira. So what you say? So we don't humble ourselves. We don't. First, let me feel papa. I feel no Matthias here. Me unique than all of them. Me unique than all of them. Me kasi sikam. But when you come to spiritual side, I'm a very unique. So what you say? But the ni padu was saying na yes sir. Some sister make an honest me. O mami papati, ye ya breno. E was a bibi bank in for my no e ba papa ni sama no de nenam. And I school be no papa fa nanko. Onu so onima de famiko school we no de ne ko to afidie we mam na mi na me papa papa so oye nurse nti nurse ni bi bo so kotan nche ne hia de na yesi nurse still my sister ye mami papa ho anto as long as wo ba be wo woni papa fo mami bi wo be papa nchen kakra my sister kitwa ba ko di the other one omo sori ya no omaduru ho omo ni lady na kwa kokontokwa kasa ya me bi tia be papa. No, we are so PB Jina Bonte. Let me know. And small kind in Yamin Quanin, and so still they don't know. So what you say? And you may be one man. We arrogant. I'm a dear, so up to now. You want the crop until you move be and just some catua. Yeah, bro. Humbleness is a great game. But we refuse to do it. Nti better no already shiraye. You boy ready but ye nyɛ de ope. Was nye one na was ready. Was ye dano. Nipo beba abeka se awrade. Yam faudi anshankom. Yam faudi anjutu ahombone. Awrade ya nko asori. Ya anye se. Was minimum mfiri me sonko. Mo anye de tene. Mo anye de tene. Free me so come on yet. So what you say? Until Radina ni din way no. Ye bibi to please him. Let's humble ourselves under him. Yemre ye ho sinhye ni na se no nhiraye. Ni yesi be gina wona ne tenten ye pedia. Won tumi no obi wona ne tenten pen nante. He cannot. On to me. So what you say? On to me no bia on any penante. We have to humble ourselves. Ni etiemwa wo frisu musura babiti ene na kaka krebi na Jesus Christ abi na nimu nyamu. So what na ho mba mu bia, what de ma wo bia obre ne ho ase. Ahun brase ni obi oye dindin. Oh me dindin ti me bre me ho ase no. Obi dindin so ya arrogant. Obi ni so shipa, but wo bre ne ho ase e wa komam. So what you say? Obi ni so hyepa obi hu no na ne den ba wo bre no ho se wakomam. Obi so ye boko kasa kron kasa wo hia ntatia kro untia no but wo ya hantan. Timi mesra mo busuafo mpempenso yedru no onyame de ne honhom a yede betu akosoro ne bemu obi a ode bemu obi a obre ne ho ase nti si ye no honhom ne bi ne dia face great tribulation and niema e ba ye so no a and ye was say we first have to humble ourselves anya sa ye ntumi nkoye nim nya sa enye ye enya sa asumdue ma enya sa ye be ye bregu adwuma enya sa ye ntumi ye ni nye wasasi so nya sa ye nyankwa ma ye kra ti misra wodofo mpepenso ye dru no e ya hobrase mu ene ye de be hu nyame ni mu nyam anya sa ye hunu wo che wo bia wa bre no ho ase wo che wo bia wo se urade I can do this I surrender all to you come into my life control my life I can do it take control over my life he's looking for somebody who will say this he's looking for someone who will say this we are living in the last days akaka krebi no suru ya jewa na trumpet e bin si da unti bi sound da because that trumpet ne bebo me wufo wo mu wuo million years ago ate enyane afri wufo trumpet bi be sound soon very soon sooner than you think trumpet bi be sound am a cemetery abodan mu bebie am a wufo asore trumpet bi be sound a ye great it be shaky grounds trumpet kesi bi be sound am we de bi pagya ne ma o no wo pia bone fo akogufa trumpet bi be sound o emumu betia sem da no me se di wogu mfie pempem betia so no si mu trumpet bi be sound what the deep will be sorry trumpet bi be sound mu tumi ka bi hompum abi hwe so ye rade sawuba trumpet bi be sound am woni mabufunu am kobra ne tumi ka wo de jefre dwaye atumi ka dwane ajane akope ba bi atete so na you too late trumpet bi be sound some great trumpet is about to sound very soon sooner than you think nessa trumpet ni bomu na to woni hwewim na hinu hinu na ewura mu urade efiri munkum mu ba wo de sede na be hia no na woni bebofunu ana wo beto mirika ana wo ka ka tse bodan se mo fa yinsie de oti ahinwa ni so ba which one o se na ni asoja framo na tade hia no na ni bra brinti wo de abomojam enkrante eye ketrema ebia ne kokoso wo de bebo ba mamai adanu neni no enye fita a black simfinfi no de humobo wo tutu no de jaframa shawo nti no mercy for sinners that day no mercy for sinners sesu nyaje wa it's over so we not to popo next week wa is over case close sabre we a trumpet ni nyamomu no sabre we na wa gen sakrabia do it today if you have any homework do it today After say you will hear the sound of trumpet and answer will be two things. When you will pet, I know you be any hope mobium. So who will tell me more who paradise? Who will bonimo who call Hades? Who want to me mamma sacra? And next she said you would tell her by so nipple way woo. How can you know? Says she when you meet Chamon now soon. Say I go 1 week, sister, who better won't blah. Say I go 1 month, no frasa, sister, who better won't. And obi nam obonso de se nani agye ohu de onye no nso aka no 1 week onim obi nam woni obi anya ntokwa omu si kina man so dane dua aka no 1 week onim obi bu ofu dendende wokojai ni kunu enya sam ketwa aka no 1 week onim obi bu ofu wokojai ne yere aka no 1 week odi be first assist onim obi asisi party nsa bia bi omo ba beji womani this weekend wo chena nko ane de kamu beto ne hia unyami twache no aso e chena nko ato for clock wo be but onim onim onye twache say wom na wie yaba eno ano no is over nti da Yesu beba ebi be sori won konimdim ebi so be sori wadagam ebi be sori sa bodamfo omo ho ntade nyina tete ombe sori wani nguasiem ebi so be sori wo anigye ene treni wo mo ntade mfita ene be sori akoka chi Jesus Christ wo wiem metise tutrubentu bibo efrefre awutifo nyina ena miso mika ubiana ena miso mika ubiana abna metise tutrubentu bibo efrefre awutifo nyina o ena miso mika ubiana ena miso mika ubiana utise tutrubentu bibo ebe frefre awutifo nyina busa ho ne wo sa wo ka ho bia sende Yesu piem nunkum no oba a wode no tade abo mojam na nisu ye jaframa won tijaya trumpet ne na bofo mpempem wosoro edi na tie wo mo be wage war against the devil and his angels na ehim na obegina ehim fa na obegina enemy tufo ya hanta free wakwem na Jesus Christ intimi no metna bra wo wasi chini nyina na se no ntumi mew anya sa you lie anya sa wo boa oso odoma ho brasiefo usi hantaifo kwan ena urade na wo ka no enu nkyese no ede ubekọ osoro ahimam wo se de oyo osoro gya na pede nti se wo bo urade din na wontumi nya na pede dia forget it nke be yama se wo bo urade din na so be na pede ke be yama se wo bo urade din na be de obe ke be yama ti mi saw eni di misraw ahombrasim se enne your homework na nkrata ne niema na won se kan wa bruchire ye begichi ni nyina ne de track o ebe kakra be pese o mbeje wo nkrata nso ne nyeyi ebe ye kakra you want them se ka won kunkuta American passport nka ye nimu wo system nim nso na ye too late ebe kakra wo be pese ke yempam ne ko ukurum ne ko she kura bi ase se de be ya sisi wonyi bi. So what you say? Nso first wo kai lampofo. So ebi no mutimi tu gumrem. Sa ne be yo. Ye betim kofo gumrem ti se lampofo. Ye beje wo lampo. Uti aduane ho na wudwane. Me ka me kire wo. Nti sabri bre wo ho se. No nya me fa ho den medum. Ne duru ho ni bi twauti kura. Wotime gina ene wo bonefo na eda diesi. Me srampa. Obi a wonkuta Yesu Kristo ho da no ontumi nyina. Obi won't carry the Spirit of God. What you do, and it's brown wassy. No, ya me found nippedian niso. No fun of home show sabatakari. No, never more who could in your dear. Yes, sister can and prime, air but no who Jesus Christ did. Now we pedera did. Now we in the cassia. Yes, more Jesus did. Now we pedano. I pray you do a cockosha underground. Yede enfidie na yedi chicha nkofuti e wo prisons ye sentence will be life they say foreign squad yikukuna na enfidie na yedi chicha nkofuti no ya seti fidie na wo ni tua setiti ni peti na wo gina ho na wo peda Jesus Christ di. So what you say de bia ye bompaya ye ready wo na wo yi Daniel free jatabum wo ni honhoma ni kuta Daniel woni honhoma ni kuta Daniel ma wotumi gina ye majata ya kire won kom nansa ni ko jana tu mu buum woni honhoma ni edi Daniel e gina ho e confess Ewurade ama ye de ko to jatabum Ewurade wona wo yi ma Shadrach Meshach Abednego o kuta Shadrach Meshach ne Abednego eno na me se hwehwe sa honhom ne ne wo benya no so agye se wo kuta hombrase akoma anye sa de wo ye ho kire se wo ye arrogant won ta de hyem kura kire se wo ye hantan de wo yi ho half naked kire se wo mu awurade mfere no eni nti ne mesrew onyame na me so bokoko akaka kra bi no so ye agyewa sese nsu setan kum nipa onu wu nenam odadawa no wu de na ba na bo trim na sama do be fo akosie ese wo mpese awurade beje nti wodam na da kwan so e dada nipa bebre eni nti mesrew ye nitifo bra wo se ma awurade no mfa ne honhom mfiri suru mu soro ade bi wo so wo mpen enko humble yourself akomam bra wo se ma ja bibiem se wo sika se wo ye hiani se wo ho ofe se wo ho nyefe se wo yakola se wo ye pani bra wo se hye Jesus Christ nyinu na se na hye so wo mfiri suru mu soro emfa ne honhom me hye wo se batakaria misra wurade so wo ma otumi a wo bi di hantan so na wo ba wo nsra ba mu otumi na watena na wo so wanya nkwa ama okra awurade wo nhyira na onye okese o kyena se Yesu ama obesan atemenka Jesus Christ me da wase se enede yi wa fami esi wuna so na wakasa fami mu akere wo ma me so se masem nkogu asase paso nenso aba mo ho na wo pie wani mu nyam ni nyina yitu bihia wo wi mu ene wakodi da ensada me da wase se wodi nkonim wadom nti amen.
Yo, true time ebusia. Yankopon Shiramo. If I just saw you new to this channel, if I chow, click subscribe button also. Now here's our don't man email be APA or na pimpemo MP click so. Now we are no click like button also. Now we just comment our video na say. We are signing my way a boa ama channel no so okunenimu. See a person yankopon asem no tumi ko wiasa fa na ni na.